Hey, what's up? Welcome to Stacy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook brown stew chicken my way. I prep my chicken off camera, so my chicken is ready, clean and ready to season. So here I have all my seasoning that I'm going to be using in my chicken, and I'll write out on the screen for you to tell you what kind of season I use on my chicken. The first one I use is Mrs. Dash. Okay, so I'm going to add Mrs. Dash to it. I can't tell you how much I use. I basically just use my judgment. Next, I'm going to add all-purpose. Alright. Then I'm going to add another kind of all-purpose that have different ingredients from this one. And be careful when you're using this because this has salt in it, and if you're going to season your meat with the original salt, you don't want to use too much of this. Alright, that's good enough right there. Then I'm going to add some red powder pepper. Not too much. Then I'm going to add some black pepper. Then salt. Alright, that should be good enough. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my browning. And this is the Grace browning. I always use this. I like it. And again, for the browning, you just have to use your judgment. You don't want to use too much, because if you use too much, then your chicken is going to be black. If you use a little bit, it's not going to look the way you want a brown stew chicken to look. So then I'm going to use a spoon to mix up my ingredients together. Now I think this is perfect. I do not need to add any more browning to it or anything. And I'm going to give you a closer look of what it looks like. Okay, good. So now this is all mixed up and sitting there ready to be marinated. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take it over to my pot that I have on medium high. Yes, medium high. You ready? Let's go. Come on. Okay, so now my pot is hot and ready. I'm going to go ahead and add my oil, and I use vegetable oil. Alright, again, when I'm cooking, I don't like to add a lot of oil to my pot. So we're just going to let that heat up some more, and then we're going to add our chicken. Alright, so now my pot ready. Time to add the chicken to fry it up. Alright, we don't want to fry it like we're frying chicken now. We're just going to give it, we're just going to brown it basically. You hear that sizzling? That's the kind of sizzling you want to hear. If you don't hear that sizzling, your oil is not hot enough. We're gonna go ahead and give like probably each side like 5 minutes or probably less. I'm trying to see if I can fit everything up in there. Alright, we're not going to overpack it. So right now what we're going to do now, we're going to fry these for about 5 minutes on each side, and then I'm going to put the rest in the pot, and then once I'm finished frying up everything, then I'm going to come back and show you the finishing touch. Stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm going to turn my meat, and that was less than 5 minutes, okay? So you see that nice caramel browning that's on it? That's what you want to see. You want to see that brown look. Oh God, I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now. Like seriously, it smells so good. I can't wait to dismantle this food. We already turned that one. Alright, so we're going to give it less than 5 minutes on the other side, and then we're going to come back and add the rest to the pot, and then I'm going to show you my finishing touch of how I cook my stewed chicken. Okay, now my chicken is done frying. The same pot that I used to season up my chicken, I'm going to add my things that I have prepared here, and I have prepared some tomatoes, which I'm going to put in there, some onion, pepper, dry thyme, and some sweet pepper, some crushed garlic, and some scallion. Okay, so now I had all that to the pot that I had seasoned. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Alright, so I just add 2 cups of water. Alright, so now my chicken right here is finished frying. It gives me the texture that I wanted to give. The same pot that I fried in, I'm going to go ahead and add everything back to the pot. Okay. Man, I wish you could just smell what I'm smelling. What I'm going to do now is seasoning that I just showed you. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add it to the pot. I'm going to add about 2 more cups of water to my pot, okay? Alright. This out of the way. And I'm going to add some carrots. And a little secret that I like to add in my chicken. Right here, I have pimento seed and barbecue sauce. Yes, this is my little secret. I like to add barbecue sauce to my brown stew chicken. It gives it a nice taste. Try it. You'll trust me. Alright, so we're going to leave this now for about 25 to 30 minutes for it to cook down and to do its stuff. Once it is all cooked down, I'll come back. I'm going to show you what my pot look like. Alright? Check it out. Hey y'all, so I'm back to check on the progress of my pot. Let's check it out. Oh my god. Yo, like seriously, like I wish that you could just smell what I'm smelling right now. This smell This smells so glorious. I cannot wait to chew down on this. Oh, all right. Now we're gonna leave it for it to cook down some more. Once it's finished, I'll come back and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, y'all, welcome back. So now I'm going to just take the lid off of my pot and I'm going to look at my finishing product. Look at this. Oh my God, I seriously wish you could smell what the hell I'm smelling right now. Oh, this gravy. Ah, yes. Okay, so now I'm going to turn my pot off and I'm going to make me a plate and I'm going to show you what my finished product is like. Oh, I can't wait to eat this food. I'm so hungry. Hey, so this is my finishing product, and you know a chef always have to taste his or her food before anything. Oh my God, this looks so delicious right now. I have my brown stew chicken, I have my plain rice, I have some tomatoes with some sweet peppers on the side, and don't forget the carrots. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig in and let you guys know how it tastes. Can I say damn? Look, the meat is so tender and nice. It's falling off the bone. Yo, right now, I'm sorry, but this shit is so good. Yes. I'll put my foot up in this one. I'm sorry. Hold on for a second. Damn. Hold on. This is so good. Not because of me cooking. I'm tooting my own arm, but this is some good eating right here. Okay, y'all. That is all I have for you. If you'd like to see me cook another dish, go ahead and leave me a message in the comment section. Let me know what you would like to see me cook next. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and please, please subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Until next time, bye.